section, we are also going to cover another tool, that is Ortho Mode. This is a tool that only restricts you to use perpendicular lines, and by perpendicular lines I mean 90-degree lines. So let's use the line tool. Define a start point. So on the status bar, this is our Ortho Mode symbol. You can just click on it, or you can also activate it by just clicking F8 on your keyboard. So this tool only allows us to have vertical and horizontal lines. Doesn't matter where your cursor is, you can only have horizontal and vertical lines. This tool is usually important when we are drawing our wall layouts, because we need perpendicular lines. So this is a tool that we will be using oftenly when it comes to drawing of the floor plans. As you can see, when you turn on polar tracking, Ortho Mode automatically goes off.